The Substreams CLI offers an easy way to initialize a project, the Substreams init command. Given a smart contract address, the Substreams init command generates a Substreams project indexing all the events of the smart contract. In order to generate the Rust code, the command fetches the ABI from Etherscan. Let's see it in action. In a command line terminal, type Substreams init, then hit Enter. Give a name to your project. Select a protocol, in this case Ethereum. Choose a chain, in this case Ethereum mainnet. Then, type the address of the smart contract that you want to track. You can choose to track another smart contract. If you just want to track one smart contract, leave this field empty. The smart contract ABI will be fetched from Etherscan, and your substreams will be generated. This process might take a few seconds. Now you can move to the generated folder and start exploring the project. The project generated is a ready-to-use Substreams retrieving all the events of the smart contract. The proto folder contains the data model of your substreams. The src folder contains the Rust code of your substreams. And the substreams.yaml file contains the configuration of your substreams. In the proto folder, you can find the protobuf definitions. By default, an object is created for every event in the smart contract. Then they are all wrapped into an events object. The lib.rs file contains the source code of your substreams. In this code, the events object defined in the protobufs is populated with data. In order to retrieve the events, you use the ABI of the smart contract. For every event, you iterate over the transaction logs, matching every log with the event ABI. In this example, you are matching all the approval events. Lastly, the substreams.yaml file defines all the configurations needed, such as the location of the protobuf files or the modules of your substreams. There are other manifest files available depending on the sync that you want to use. For example, if you want to send the blockchain data to a database, you must use the substreams.sql.yaml file. On the other hand, if you want to send the data to a subgraph, you must use the substreams.subgraph.yaml file.